So basically this is a 3038E John Deere tractor. I just take a key, come right down into here, push the key in here, that'll release my hood so that I can lift my hood. Once you get your hood up, take and twist this little deal here, twist another one here. Get them to release. Oh, already had it. And you should be able to wiggle it out of there. At this point, there's your oil fill. And then down here, there's your oil filter. Don't get it confused with your fuel filter over there. This is your oil filter right here. Come down underneath. Come right over here. Take this drain plug out. Drain your oil out, which I've already done. Go ahead and put it back in the drain plug. I looked at it, everything looked good. I'm gonna snug that down with a wrench. Change out my oil filter right up there. What's odd about this filter is it's a little bit different than the actual what John Deere calls out for. Some 3038Es will take this filter, some have a different filter. I'm going to go ahead and change mine out. I'm going to add the oil. So this is the correct oil to use right here. And I believe it's 4.8 quarts or 4.7 quarts. So I will go ahead and just come up here. I'll show you from the top. I ran my filter down into the hole that I showed you earlier for the engine oil and just begin filling. You don't want to do this too fast, but go ahead and add your oil right down there. You can see where I got my oil running into. I'll show you a better look here in a second. Right down in there. That's where that cap was, that orange cap. So once you get all your oil added back in, just make sure your oil filter's snug. Make sure that your drain plug is snug, and you should be good to go. I would go ahead and check your engine oil level right here. Make sure your engine oil is good. Mine appears to be fine. And I will put the dipstick back in, and then I will go ahead and start the engine. And I'm probably not going to put my covers back on just yet, because I think I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Make sure I got all the dirt and dust. I can see some pretty bad dust down there on my cooling fins. So I'm gonna clean all that up and get all that off of there, and then I'll go ahead and start it up.